Good morning to one and all. In last class we discussed about basics of state space analysis and we also obtained the state model for a given system in state space, and we also discussed about problems for obtaining the state model for a given electrical system as well as obtaining the state model from a given transfer function. In this class we are going to obtain the expression for transfer function from state space model. Obtaining the transfer function from a state model is very simple but very important in JNT point of view as well as in gate point of view. State model represents the two equations, that is nothing but state equation and output equation. State equation is given as x dot of t is equal to a into x of t plus b into e of t. Similarly, output equation y of t is equal to c into x of t plus d into e of t. Okay. Transfer function can be obtained just by applying the Laplace transform to state equation as well as output equation. After applying the Laplace transform, just substitute the x of s in output equation. We will get the derivation for transfer function. First consider the state equation, that is nothing but x dot of t is equal to a into x of t plus b into e of t. That is the state equation of a system. Here x dot of t is nothing but first derivative of x of t. Okay. Now apply Laplace transform on both sides of this state equation. By applying the Laplace transform, we are getting this one. That is the Laplace transform of first derivative is nothing but this one. Laplace transform of x dot of t is equal to Laplace transform of dx of t by dt, that is equal to s into x of s. So Laplace transform of x dot of t is s into x of s, that is equal to, here a is the constant matrix, so a into Laplace transform x of t is x of s, plus b is the constant matrix and Laplace transform of e of t is e of s. Now from this equation, consider x of s as the common from these two terms, this term as well as this term. Then we are getting si minus a into x of s, that is equal to b into e of s. From that, consider x of s is equal to, take this term to right side, so si minus a whole inverse into b into e of s. This is the x of s value from the given state equation. Similarly, consider output equation of a given system, that is nothing but y of t is equal to c into x of t plus d into e of t, that is the output equation. For this equation also, apply the Laplace transform on both sides. By applying the Laplace transform on both sides of this equation, we are getting Laplace transform of y of t is nothing but y of s, and c is the constant matrix, that is c into Laplace transform x of t is x of s, plus again d is the constant, Laplace transform of v of t is the u of s. This is the output equation by applying the Laplace transform. Now substitute x of s, that is by applying the Laplace transform to the state equation, we are getting the x of s. Substitute that x of s value in the output equation. That is, by substituting the x of s in output equation, we are getting this equation. That is nothing but y of s is equal to matrix C, constant matrix C into this value. This value is the x of s value plus d into e of s. Again from these two terms, in these two terms, take e of s is the common. By taking e of s is the common, we are getting y of s is equal to c into si minus a whole inverse into b plus d. By taking the e of s is the common. In this, we know y of s is the Laplace transform of output and e of s is the Laplace transform of input, and we know transfer function is nothing but the Laplace transform of output to the Laplace transform of input. That is, consider y of s by e of s is equal to c into s I minus a whole inverse b plus d, and this is the expression for transfer function for a given state model. Therefore, the transfer function from state model is given as y of s by e of s is equal to c into s I minus a whole inverse b plus d. Now consider, if the matrix D is the null matrix, then the transfer function of a state model becomes y of s by e of s is equal to c into s I minus a whole inverse b. Here d value is the 0. In the expression of transfer function, A is called the state matrix, B is called the input matrix, C is the output, D is the direct transmission matrix, also known as transmission matrix, and Y of S is the output, and E of S is the input. Okay. In problems, we will get the state model. Then we have to find out the expression for transfer function. Now we are going to discuss about small problem depending upon the transfer function of state model. Consider a small problem depending upon the obtaining the transfer function of a system which is represented by given state model. Here the given state model is x dot of t, that is nothing but this represents the state equation, and y of t, this represents the output equation. Okay, by using these two, now we are going to obtain the expression for state model. Obtaining the transfer function from a state model is very simple. First, we have to compare the given state model with the standard state equations. We know standard state equations, that is nothing but state model equations, which are state equation as well as output equation. These two equations are the standard equation. Now we have to compare the given state model with these state model equations. By comparing these are the given state model equations and these are the standard state model equations. Now compare these given state model equations with the standard state model equations. By comparing, we are getting the matrix, state matrix or system matrix A. That is, system matrix A is nothing but this matrix is the system matrix A, that is given as A is equal to -1 -1 1 0, and similarly the matrix B is given as 1 comma 0, that is from state equations. Now go for output equation. In output equation, the matrix D becomes 0. Here matrix D is the null matrix. So only we are having the matrix C, that is matrix C is the 0 comma 1 and D matrix is the null matrix. Now substitute all these matrices in the transfer function expression. Okay, this is the expression for transfer function for a given state model where matrix D is the 0. Now substitute all these matrices, that is matrix A, matrix B, matrix C, and I. I is nothing but identity matrix or unity matrix, which is given as I is equal to 1 0 0 1. Substitute all these matrices in this expression. By substituting all the matrices in the expression of transfer function, we are getting this expression, that is y of s by e of s is equal to matrix 0 comma 1 matrix s plus 1 1 minus 1 s whole inverse and matrix 1 comma 0. This matrix represents the si minus a whole inverse. Okay, and we have to apply the inverse of this matrix, and this is the 2 by 2 matrix. We know that the inverse of 2 by 2 matrix is this one, that is ABCD, matrix ABCD inverse is equal to 1 by AD minus BC into matrix we have to interchange these two and we have to apply the complement of these two elements. Then we are getting 1 by AD minus BC into matrix D minus B minus C A. Now apply this one for obtaining the inverse of this matrix. By applying this formula for finding the inverse of a matrix, we are getting this expression. In this term represents the inverse of Si minus A. Okay. After finding the inversion of this one, just multiply these two matrices. Okay. That multiplication is given here. That is, I think everyone know multiplication of matrices. That is nothing but this element into this element, that is S into 1 plus this element into this element, that is minus 1 into 0. Similarly, these two, that is 1 into 1 plus S plus 1 into 0. We are getting this matrix. Simplification of this matrix, we are getting matrix S1. Okay. After finding this one, substitute here. That is nothing but matrix 0 comma 1 and this term is represents the matrix S1, and this is the simplification of this term, that is nothing but S square plus S plus 1, that is nothing but again multiply these two matrices, that is 0 into S plus 1 into 1, that is nothing but 1 by this term S square plus S plus 1, and this is the y of s by e of s, that is nothing but transfer function from a given transfer model. Therefore, the transfer function for a given state space model is given as y of s by e of s is equal to 1 by s square plus s plus 1. Okay, this is the final expression for transfer function. This is the procedure for obtaining the transfer function for a given state space model. This is very important and very easy. In first video, we discussed about the obtaining the state model for a given electrical system as well as from a given transfer function. Here I am giving simple transfer function. By using this transfer function, try to obtain the state model. Here I am giving the answers also, which represents the state equation as well as output equation. Try to practice it and check your answers with the given answers. In the next video, we are going to discuss about STM, that is nothing but state transition matrix, and its properties. STM and its properties are somewhat important in gate point of view. Thank you.